Welcome. In this class, we will discuss about the Pratihara style of architecture. Now, Gurjara Pratihara was a prominent dynasty which ruled over the northern India approximately from mid 18th century to 11th century. So, these were the people who were in fact very instrumental and very powerful during the time of those late classical era that we call it. In this video, first of all, we will discuss what was the reason why this particular Pratihara style of architecture was in use. So let's see what was the news is all about. So the news is actually about a long pending case of idol theft. So basically a idol theft called as Natesha idol theft, which is a Lord Shiva idol in which he was shown in a Jata Mukt and Trinetra posture made of red sandstone. So it is made up of red sandstone. This particular idol was stolen from India way back in 1998, and after 22 years now India is going to get it back. So this is the reason why this particular Pratihara style of architecture was in use. So this idol was originally located in Ghateshwar temple in Baroli, Rajasthan. So that was the place where it was originally located. So the point you have to remember over here is that it was the Natesha idol, first of all, made up of very rare red sandstone, and it is a 4 meter tall 4 meter tall structure made up of red sandstone, and it's quite rare, and it was stolen from India way back in 1998, and now India is getting it back. It is situated in Baroli, Rajasthan, Kateshwar temple. So these are the few things because of which it was in news. Now let's try to see what Gurjara Pratihara dynasty was. So as mentioned earlier, these are the one which ruled northern India during mid 18th to 11th century. So that was the time period through which they have become powerful and they were ruling. And one of the very important fact that you have to remember is that they were the main block, in fact the power which blocked the Arab enemies. So the Arabs were extending towards the east of Indus river, and Gurjara Pratihara dynasty, the rulers of those time, were the one who actually negated the advances of Arab enemies. So that is one of the major contribution of Gurjara Pratihara dynasty in the Indian political time of ancient history. Also, to point to remember is that they ruled from Ujjain and then later at Kannauj as well. So these were the two major points from which they have started their rule. One is Ujjain, then at later time they have also moved towards the Kannauj. So this is the basic idea about Gurjara Pratihara dynasty that you have to know. Now let's also try to see the main feature of their architecture. So the Pratihara style of architecture is specifically made up of sculptures. So there are a lot of sculpture associated with the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty, and then they have a feature of carved panels. So now carved panels is nothing but something in which the panels are carved by some kind of decorative work. So Pratihara dynasty, the architecture that they follow, their temples have carved panels. And another important features is the presence of open pavilion style. So the instead of like the enclosed one, they have the open pavilion style kind of architecture in their temples. So in fact, one of the greatest achievement during the Gurjara Pratihara architectural style come in the form of Khajuraho temple. So Khajuraho temple were also, Chandelas are associated with it, with the major, like the pinnacle of the architecture of Gurjara Pratihara can also be witnessed at the Khajuraho temple, which is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So UNESCO provide the World Heritage Site like mark to the Khajuraho temple now. Also, the point to noted is the one from which the idol was stolen, the Baroli temple complex. It has around 8 temples inside it. So the complex is comprised of 8 temples, and another very important features to notice over here is they are situated in a walled enclosure. So like the whole temple is enclosed within the wall. So this is one of the major feature. Now let's also like see about it. So if you see over here the temple architecture, see the layout something like that. The 8 temples are symmetrically arranged within the complex, and if you see over here the whole temple is enclosed within the wall. So these are the basic features of Bardoli temple complex, from which the idol was stolen. This is made in the architectural style of Pratihara. Now, when we are actually looking into the content of temple architecture, go back to your Nitin Singhania and learn about Nagara style, Dravida style. These are the major temple architecture style, but we also have something kind of Vasera style of architecture, which is like the combination or the transition. Then Vijayanagara is, even though it is come under the Dravida only, but it has few features which are different from Dravida. Then up in the north we have Kashmir type of architecture. Again, it has features of your Nagara style of architecture, but the material used is predominantly wooden, and because of it there are few changes. So you can see all these architectural style in Nitin Singhania. It's very well explained over there. For Kashmir architecture, you have to like go back and check your NCERT Fine Arts Class 11 books, and I hope go through these. These are very important from your UPSC perspective. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.